Hi, it's Mark from SMSiT. In this video, I'm going to be talking about SMSiT, why choose SMSiT, and I'm going to compare SMSiT to top competitors. So let's start. So first, what is SMSiT? Well, SMSiT is a smart platform that you could use for your business in building sales leads with pinpoint accuracy, reduce customers that leave your businesses, and connect with clients using personalized interactions and trusted communications. So, quickly, how do we do this? Well, SMSiT is built with a GUI, and it also has an API for developers. And with the GUI, you have an omnichannel messaging platform, and you also have an upcoming metaverse. And with this metaverse, you're going to be able to finally get the perfect lead. You're going to be able to finally cherry pick leads right in the metaverse by having access to all user personas of users that you meet in the SMSiT metaverse when you explore. Anyway, right here for building is where we got the API for developers. And with this API, you could easily extend all functionalities, especially core functionalities of SMSiT, to your applications. I'm talking about business applications, metaverse applications, blockchain applications, and IoT applications. Now let's compare SMSiT a little bit. First, let's have a look at Conspira. And right here on Conspira talks about SMSiT and gave SMSiT very high ratings in comparison to our competitors, with the features from recruiting, gamification, and all the way to artificial intelligence. So let's talk a little bit about why I choose SMSiT. Now, why I choose SMSiT? First, SMSiT has bulk and two-way omnichannel messaging that goes all the way from SMS, MMS, RCS, email, voice, fax, and chat. SMSiT has the cheapest and lowest rates in the industry. It has SMPP, which means you could use your Twilio accounts, Twilio, SignalWire, whatever network that you got without decentralized version. So you could also use your SIM cards without decentralized version. We have about 51 plus features right now, which you could use without limitations, and it's going to be more than 100. We also have a database of 1 billion plus records, which you could use in building your lists, especially for those in the United States. You could build TCPA compliant lists. Now, our API is not just small, but it's also built for businesses, IoT, blockchain, and the metaverse. We also have the Decentralized Gateway for maximum flexibility and profit control of all your campaigns. We also have 10 DLC registration from directly within the platform, so you could register local toll-free numbers directly with the campaign registry through us. SMSiT also has Zapier So that means you could use our Zapier API integration and native integration to connect to over 4,000 applications. SMSiT also has artificial intelligence for analytics and statistics. SMSiT also has automation that can help you with completing and automating your entire workflow. We have tons of native integrations. You have a lot of control and freedom over what kind of messages you can send with the decentralized version. With the decentralized version, you could also scale. So let's say you have an application, and let's say in your application you have 1 billion users. Now I'm sure you do not want to send messages to 1 billion users and pay per message. Now you could use the decentralized version and pay just $200 and send 1 billion messages for $200. You could actually send an unlimited amount of messages for just $200. No other competitor can match this. Now you could also use our API and small tools directly in the metaverse to sell your products, services, and build up your lists. We got seamless integration for the blockchain and Internet of Things by using our API in our platform. We also got worldwide coverage, and we have guaranteed delivery. So when you send your messages will get delivered, and you got statistics to actually track all delivery, and we got more and more and more. Now, let's compare SMSiT to the top competitors, Twilio and TextMagic. First, SMSiT beats Twilio in pricing and TextMagic too, because SMSiT starts from 0.004 all the way it goes down to $0 because of the decentralized version where you pay $200 and send unlimited messages. Now SMSiT has unlimited messaging. No other competitor, Twilio, TextMagic, no other competitor, Clivio, SignalWire, no other competitor has unlimited messaging because no other competitor has the decentralized version. Only SMSiT has the decentralized version. Now, our API is compatible for the metaverse, the blockchain, and IoT, smart features to build your leads with accuracy, engage and retain your customers, artificial intelligence and automation. Now, our authentication that we have is not just authentication. This is a generator and authenticator. So that means our platform can actually generate codes for you and have these codes verified by you user. Using our platform, you do not need to build nothing else but use our API in your application, or you could just use our platform. No need to build anything. And with our platform, you could send two-factor authentication codes directly to your customers, and they will verify this easily on their end, and it all connects to your application too. Also, we also have inbuilt 10 DLC registration form. Our inbuilt 10 DLC registration form is something that helps you, especially if you're in the United States, stay compliant with the campaign registry. Our competitors do not have this. We also have a metaverse, a blockchain, and an IoT ecosystem coming up soon. And these are built by SMSiT from scratch for SMSiT. We also have gateways. We have the SIM card gateway, which is the IoT SIM card gateway, and also normal SIM card gateway. We also have inbuilt Twilio gateway. We're coming up with more and more native inbuilt gateways. And with these gateways, or the inbuilt SMPP that we have, It simply means that you could have a Twilio account and just use your Twilio credentials or others and put that right in to your decentralized version, and all of a sudden you do not need to be a developer and use Twilio. Now you could just use Twilio without being a developer. So easy. Now, so we have tokenization that's coming up. Now, our tokens are coming up soon, and with our tokens or with tokenization that's coming up in the SMSiT platform, for every message that is sent, a token is born. So that means if you buy our tokens, value would always go up because tokens will always get burned whenever users send SMS messages or pay for subscriptions, or users use our smart features, or users perform certain actions within SMSiT. SMSiT also has the decentralized and cloud versions. And SMSiT is available on the web, iOS, and Android. Our competitors do not have this. And also, SMSiT has a database of 1 billion plus records, segmented records that you could use in building up your customers list. Our competitors do not have this. SMSiT has a lot of features, a lot of comparison criteria that we did not put right here because we'll make this page too much, too long. Well, that's a quick overview about SMSiT, comparing SMSiT to top competitors and telling you why you would want to use SMSiT. So to summarize, why would you want to use SMSiT? Well, you would want to use SMSiT because, one, you want to engage with your customers using personalized interactions and trusted communications. Two, you want to stop churn or customer attrition in your business, or folks leaving your business, especially if you have a subscription-based business model and you have a lot of customers or users that leave your platform or your business, start paying. With SMSiT, you could engage with these folks. You have a lot of gamification features. You could engage with them, keep them engaged and love your brands, so they would not leave, but they would stay with your brand because they engaged. I'm talking about using a lot of features to engage them, from omnichannel messaging to features like branded QR codes, kiosk, mobile, the mobile splash pages. We have question and answer bots, a lot of several gamification features, all meant to keep your audiences or your users engaged. In that way, they do not leave your business because they are engaged. It's so simple. And also, you want to use SMSiT to build up your leads, especially if you do not have leads. With SMSiT, you could build up your leads. And what else can I say? It's a lot, but I don't want to take up more of your time right now. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care now.